Okay, 5.2 combinations. See, let's just do a question, see that better. What is the combination? Look at this question. In how many ways could Alana, Barbara, Carl, and Eric fill the position of the president, vice president, and secretary? Okay, so we have 3 positions. If I want to do it without knowing what is a combination, we have 3 positions, right? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people. So in the first position, I can choose 5 options. I have 5 options. The second position, I have how many? 4, and I have 3 here because it's 1 chosen in the previous ones. So that would be 5 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3. But actually, if I want to do that, I use P, choosing 3 out of 5. P3, 5 means you're choosing 3 objects out of 5 objects. That's the combination. And the formula for the combination, I'm going to show you what it is. Okay, here. So there's 3 out of 3, 3 out of 5, right? For the combination is this. Choosing R person out of N person. Actually, this is going to be for part C. Let me just do that for you guys. Instead, in how many ways could this same 5 people form a committee with 3 members? Kind of, they did it by hand. Okay, and then the answer is, so basically you don't have to do that in exam, you just use the formula for me. How are the members of the vase in part C and B related? Okay, so make sure, guys, because the positions are different, the order is important, right? If we using for the first question, we use the permutation Rn. These are 5 people to choose from, n equal to 5, and the 3 people, we're choosing 3 people out of 5 people. There is 5 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3 is what? 60. But part B, would this same 5 people form a committee with 3 members? When we want to have 3 members, is that the order is important? No, I just want to choose this 3. I don't care which one is president, which one is vice president, right? The order in the second one, the order is not important. That's why this is how many ways we can do that, but it is taking a long time to figure out how many 3 people we can pick. That's why we use combination. Whenever the order is not important, you use combination, and that's the formula for that. Okay, let's just do that. So see how many I need to choose 3 out of 5, and the order is not important. So it's going to be n factorial. Your n is 5. 5 factorial divided by what? 5 minus 3, n minus r. 5 minus 3 is 2 factorial. R factorial is 3. Here is 3 factorial. If you do that, it's 5 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3 factorial, guys, right? And 2 factorial here is 3 factorial. Is 3 factorial and 3 factorial cancel, and you have 2. 2 factorial is 2. This one here is 2. We have 10 ways. 10 ways to choose. It's going to be the same answer that you have. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There is a 10 way to choose these 3 people. Again, when you're choosing R object out of N, and this N object is all the same, means the order is not important. Do you have any question? Okay, question number 2, applying the combination formula. So in how many different, with 3 different flavors could you get and an ice cream shop with 31 different flavors? So I don't care which color coming on the top, which color coming on the bottom. As long as I'm choosing 3 different flavor out of 31, I'm okay, right? So it's gonna be combination. It's not gonna be permutation. Permutation order matters, but combination order doesn't matter. So 3 out of 31, so it's gonna be in factor, so 31 factorial, 31 minus 3 in denominator, and then divide by 3 factorial. Here is factorial. Then you simplify, and that's the answer. Guys, any question?
No.
Now, so a ballet choreographer wants 18 dancers for a scene. In how many ways can a choreographer choose a dance if a company has 20 dancers? Okay, now I want to choose 18 out of 20 and all the same, right? I don't care about order. So you have to use combination, choosing 18 out of 20 or even 24. You can choose C, combination of 18 out of 24, and I'm sure you know the formula. So how would you advise the choreographer to choose the dance? Okay, don't have to answer B, just knowing these questions. So this is the using the technology, that's okay. And here, the next question. So Ursula runs a small landscaping business. She has on hand 12 kind of rows, bushes, 16 kind of small shrubs, 11 kind of evergreens seeding, and 18 kind of flower lilies. In how many ways this person fill in order of the customer? 15 different variety consisting of 4 roses, 3 shrubs, 2 evergreens, 16 lilies. So I want to have 4 roses. Since the total roses is 12, I'm going to choose 4 out of 12. Okay. Then 3 out of 16 shrubs, 2 out of 11, and 6 out of 18. And then add them up. Combination of them. Oh, okay, so you don't add them up, you just multiply them, because then you want to put them in orders. 15 different 4 rows, this one, and whenever you have and, you multiply. If it said or, you add. So you just simply 4 out of 12, 3 out of 16, 2 out of 11, 6 out of 18, and you multiply them. That's said this and this and this, right, together. So next one is said or, that's why we add them. It said either 4 different rows or 6 lilies. Roses, how many rows? 12, means 4 out of 12, combination of 4 out of 12. And 6 lilies, 6 out of 18, combination of 6, 18. Said or means you add them. So here, 4 out of 12 plus 6 out of 8, then you do the numbers, you add them. Any question? So do the even questions and check your answer on the manual.